Most people get this wrong. They assume Pay Ease Advance is just another payday loan. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a fast, transparent way to access earned wages with flat fees and helpful budgeting tools if you use it wisely. Here's how it works. Pay Ease Advance allows users to access a portion of their earned income before payday, often within hours. Unlike traditional payday loans, it charges a simple flat fee per advance. The 2026 version also includes repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional budgeting features to help manage short-term cash flow responsibly. The downside? Overusing it can be expensive. Many users underestimate how quickly fees accumulate when advances are used frequently. Relying on Pay Ease Advance as a regular source of cash instead of a short-term solution can lead to financial stress. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only withdraw what you truly need and can repay promptly. 2. Set up alerts and reminders to avoid missed repayments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the service. Who should use Pay Ease Advance? People with steady income who occasionally face unexpected expenses. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment discipline, it might cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Pay Ease Advance in 2026 is a practical tool for bridging short-term financial gaps, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a convenience, not a primary income source, and stick to your repayment plan. Subscribe for more reviews and tips to stay financially savvy.